Good morning. I welcome you all to Pakistan International School, KG Wing. Dear kids, you know that the world is full of colors. There are many colorful things around us like toys, flowers, and balloons. Today I am going to tell you about red color. See, all these things are red. They are so bright and colorful. This is a cute ladybird. Can you tell me the color of this ladybird? Yes, its color is red. Now tell me, what is the color of this apple? Yes, it is red. Say loudly, red. Yes, it is a red apple. Look at these flowers. These are roses. Look how beautiful they are. Can you tell me what is the color of these roses? Yes, it is red. So these are red roses. Cherry. It's a tasty fruit. Look carefully and tell me which color this fruit has. Yes, it has red color. Now say after me, red cherry. Again, red cherry. These are chilies. Chilies are so spicy. These are also red. Now say loudly, red chilies. Again, red chilies. Wow, these are strawberries. These are also red. Red strawberries. Say again, red strawberries. Very good. This is the page of your book. You have to do red color in all these objects. Complete your work and send me the picture. Thank you. Bye bye.